Hey everybody, welcome back. Ricky here. I hope everybody had a good Christmas. Sit back and relax, and let's do a quick SPY recap for today. And at the end, I'll give an update on my trade plan. So without any further ado, let's begin. Today is Friday, December 26th, 2025, and right now it's 4:56 p.m. Eastern Time. So SPY was flat today. Didn't really move much. Down 0.01%. So didn't go anywhere. Closed at a price of 690.31, and the monthly trend is still up, and price is still above the monthly basis in the upper half. And on the weekly trend is also still up, and also that the price is still above the weekly basis in the upper half, and with some consolidation up here. Next we had the daily up here in the top right. So the daily trend is up, and today price closed above the daily basis in the upper half, and it is pressing towards the daily upper band without any sign of rejection here. And lastly, we have the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour trend is also still up. The last 4-hour candle that closed above the 4-hour basis, and prices in the upper half. And right now the structure still looks like an acceptance above the basis. So big picture summary, the alignment is bullish because price is above the basis for all of the different time frames. So we had the monthly, the weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour. The prices are all above their respective basis. And my trade plan decision. So just to catch everybody up, I am still holding on to my long position from Friday the 19th. I'm still holding on to 50% of that. I trimmed 25% on Tuesday, December 23rd, and then I trimmed another 25% on Wednesday, December 24th. So now I'm holding on to 50% of the remaining long SPY position. So after looking at today's data, I personally decided to just hold on to my long here at 690.31, but I will move up my stop loss. As always, this is just my personal trading opinion and not financial advice. So why am I still holding on to my long here? Well, because all four different time frames are still above their basis. The 4-hour candle closed above the 4-hour basis today, which supports the idea that staying with the long here. The daily also closed above the daily basis, so the daily trend is still intact. And right now, price is closer to the upper band, so adding any more position here is not clean, because the remaining upside is a bit smaller than the pullback risk. And also trying to short here is not clean either, because the daily and the 4-hour basis are still rising and still holding on to the upper half. So let's do a quick, let's take a look at my quick trade setup here. So I entered into a long position on Friday the 19th at 680.84, and now my previous stop loss was at 675, but today, after looking at the new data, I've decided to move up my stop loss now to 684.70. So way up there. So my position now is pretty much risk free because the stop loss is now higher than the my entry price. And now I'm looking at the target one of 691.81, which is pretty much, we're almost there. And my target 2 would be at 695, which would be up here. So as you can see, I'm not opening any more new long position here because reward is a bit smaller than risk here, so it is not a good spot to add. But it's still reasonable to hold on to my long position runner here with the new stop loss at 684.70, so around there somewhere. And the invalidation would be both the daily and the 4-hour closes back below their basis. Then my primary action becomes to exit at that close. So this is the Friday close, so I protect the position that I have, and I'm not adding any more to that, and we'll reassess again on Monday. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope everybody has a lovely evening, and I'll see you next time, and have a good weekend. Bye bye.